All right, we got a thing. I just soldered a battery pack holder from this clock. So this clock is no longer in use. I'm planning on taking apart the was a motor. Yeah, and my desk might be messy, um, but we don't worry about that. So we got a thingy. We have another thingy. We have a thingy down here. But what I'm especially interested in was this speaker. I'm gonna run my Arduino. It's over there. I'm gonna run some software into the speaker and see if I can get a chat GPT. Shut up! See, this thing keeps doing that. I don't know why. I have a Beats headphones, and I'm using a audio jack from that to actually plug as a plug for this. But it's weird. So every time I actually have a second one of these, but the problem with this is that it buzzes. It like farts, and fuck. All right, so just imagine there's something plugged in. I have my flip phone, but this specific speaker has a farting issue. You hear that? I don't know what it is, so it's whatever. All right, so this is, I guess, just the start of a little series of things that I want to show off because I have zero knowledge of circuitry. Oh my god, shut up. Hold that in my hand. And try to teach myself circuitry through YouTube, which would be pretty cool, to be honest, in my opinion. I'm doing this for myself. So yeah. I just wanted to show this off. I got also another thing, and I think I might have shown this off. Is it over there? Oh, it is. So this, you might not have seen it, is a HC06 Bluetooth interface. Did I just call it an interface? I don't know what it's called. Again, I have no knowledge of this shit. But basically, this thing allows me to connect Bluetooth to this, and I had a hell of a time trying to get this set up. I had to make a potential divider as stated from a Chinese robotic web I think it was like something engineering site, but it was a Chinese team that told me that I should use a voltage or potential divider. So we got this thing, we got 2K ohm resistors going in, and we got 1K. So I can explain all this in the future as I'm doing it, but I might record it as I'm working on it instead of just doing it because it's more fun that way. But like, yeah. So yeah, I got a few of these actually. I got another one up at my desk. And you might have also seen my soccer ball. Chris Polacek. I don't watch. Well, it's football actually. I'm starting to get to that point where I'm like, it's football, not soccer. I mean, like, come on, like, it's not an American thing anymore. I'm not calling it American soccer anymore. It's football. I guess I'll call it football just to make it more obvious for you guys, but I call it football and not soccer because I just think it's more appropriate to call it that. I don't know what this resistor is, but it's whatever. So, I just wanted to show off some things. If anyone's interested in what I'm doing, just let you guys know what I'm working on. There's a lot more I want to show you guys. Actually, from over here, I just decided I should probably show you guys. I have a thing that just unfortunately occurred as I was working on the soldering. Is I have a little lens. It's a macro. This is a macro lens, and then this is a extender, which would connect to a phone and allow for macro through phone cameras, which is pretty cool in my opinion. I'm not gonna lie, but it's whatever. So yeah. Another thing is I want to show you. It's kind of funny. See this little bad boy? This power supply, as you might have seen. I kind of fried it by powering a laptop charger through it. Do you see that? That's melted plastic right there. It's beautiful, ain't it? Awesome. My other hobbies include melting plastic. I had like a bunch of 1 ohm resistors, and I was like, fuck it, let's melt them all. So I plugged in 9 volts just directly to them and just watched them explode, basically. And I also want to try exploding capacitors in the future, maybe, possibly, hopefully, someday, maybe, possibly, that's going to happen. Just saying. But yeah. I'm kind of insane though, so I'm gonna just do insane shit just because why not, you know? Alright. So, this is anyway, so this. Alright, this will be taken apart slowly, methodically. We'll be using the parts to connect a. I want to try taking this apart eventually. I didn't realize I could do this, but I don't know how any of this works. Look at all those. Oh, I have to desolder all that. Ah, it's so sad. This thing was beautiful and it worked so well. But I could also. I want to try utilizing the transformer, which it came with. Like, oh, this thing right here. Is it this thing? Tam radio transformer, which connected to the outlet. This thing is extremely dangerous, I'm guessing, so I'm not going to play with this until I'm actually like more knowledgeable about it, or whenever I just want to have fun, whatever comes first. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out. Man, this thing's beautiful. I don't know why it's. It seems like it like shit itself. That's gross. Holy crap. But anyway. This thing's kind of dangerous. So yeah, that's just the start. Just wanted to show you guys some stuff. And just, you know, generally what I'm trying to do, you know, and all this shit. Anyway. Oh, I gotta put that back anyway. Alright, see ya.